Introducing the 2023 Volkswagen T-Cross 1.0 TSI 110B style in sleek silver. With only 26,469 kilometers, this five-door beauty is loaded with top-notch features like Bluetooth, cruise control, and ambient lighting for a comfortable ride. Safety is key with ABS, airbags, and collision avoidance tech. Plus, the chrome package and privacy glass add a touch of style. Rest assured with a comprehensive warranty and multi-point health check. Ready to drive off the lot today? Call now or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information on this fully serviced, top-of-the-line Volkswagen T-Cross.